Hi everyone, I'm Siuk from One Stop Solution. In today's video, I will show you how to reset home screen layout on iPhone. Resetting your home screen layout can help you organize your apps and return to the default arrangement. So, let's get started on how to reset home screen layout on iPhone. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and go to the General Settings. At the very bottom of the list, you can see the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Tap on it. Now, tap on the Reset option. From the menu that appears, tap on the Reset Home Screen Layout option. A confirmation message will appear asking if you really want to reset your home screen layout. Simply tap on the Reset Home Screen option to confirm your choice. And this is how you can reset home screen layout on iPhone. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.